I'm going to show you exactly how to make your own stickers in Canva using only free tools. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to design aesthetic stickers, add outlines like real ones, and prepare them for printing or selling online. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's dive in. First, head over to your Canva account and click Create a Design on the left-hand panel. Choose a square canvas since it's the most common format for sticker sheets. Once you're inside, go to the Elements tab on the left panel and type in anything you want to turn into a sticker, for example, a flower. Drag that element onto your canvas. While the element is selected, click Edit Photo, then scroll down to find Shadows. Choose the one that says Outline, and your design will now look like an actual sticker. You can change the outline color to match your design by clicking the color picker, and you can also adjust the thickness to make it as bold or as thin as you want. Repeat the same process to create multiple stickers and group them together on one page. Once you're done, click Share, then select Download and choose PNG for the best print quality. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! You've just created your own printable sticker set in Canva. Simple, fun, and perfect for personal use or selling online as digital sticker packs. If you want to learn step by step how to do that, we made a separate video to guide you. Just click the pop-up that will appear on your screen. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.